In today's digital world, affiliate marketing remains one of the most powerful and profitable ways to generate income online. Whether you're new to the world of affiliate marketing or a seasoned veteran, selecting the right affiliate programs can make all the difference between success and failure. While there are countless affiliate programs available, focusing your efforts on the most lucrative and reliable options is essential to maximizing your earnings. So, where should you focus your efforts? In this guide, we'll explore the top affiliate programs for 2025 that can help you earn substantial passive income. At number 10, we have one of the most popular and established affiliate programs in the tech space, Amazon Associates. For years, Amazon has been the go-to online retailer, and its affiliate program is one of the largest and most widely used globally. As an Amazon associate, you can promote millions of products from almost every niche imaginable, from electronics and books to fashion and beauty. The best part is that you don't need to worry about managing your own inventory, shipping, or customer service. While Amazon's commission rates may seem lower compared to other programs, the sheer volume of potential sales you can generate makes it incredibly worthwhile. Coming at number 9, ClickBank is one of the largest digital product affiliate platforms, making it a strong contender for marketers in the health, fitness, and self-improvement niches. ClickBank's marketplace includes thousands of products across categories, such as ebooks, software, courses, and membership sites. One of ClickBank's standout features is its generous commission structure, with some products offering commissions of up to 75%. This makes it a lucrative option for affiliate marketers who know how to target the right audience. The downside? Since ClickBank deals mostly with digital products, the competition can be fierce, but with the right strategies and a well-targeted audience, you can see impressive results. At number 8, ShareASale is a powerhouse in the affiliate marketing world. With over 20 years of experience, ShareASale offers a large variety of products and services from companies across different industries, including retail, travel, finance, and tech. The platform provides affiliate marketers with access to high-quality merchants and advertisers, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced marketers. ShareASale's user-friendly interface and extensive tracking tools make it easy for affiliates to monitor their campaigns and optimize for higher conversions. One of its best features is the opportunity to work with both well-established brands and niche products, allowing you to tailor your efforts to your audience. Next up, coming at number 7, is CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction. CJ Affiliate is one of the largest and most reputable affiliate networks in the world, and it has been around since 1998. It boasts a wide variety of merchants across multiple niches, including retail, technology, education, and travel. CJ Affiliate provides top-tier tracking and analytics tools, which can help you make data-driven decisions and increase your sales. With a history of working with well-known companies like Overstock, TripAdvisor, and GoPro, CJ Affiliate offers affiliates the opportunity to promote products and services from some of the most recognized names in the industry. The potential for high earnings with CJ Affiliate is certainly there, especially for those who focus on quality over quantity in their campaigns. At number 6, Rakuten Marketing offers affiliates the chance to promote products from major global brands. Known as the Amazon of Japan, Rakuten is one of the largest e-commerce platforms in Asia, and its affiliate program gives marketers access to a wide range of high-quality products across several niches. Rakuten is unique because it offers both physical and digital products, along with tools like customizable banners and deep linking to help you better market the products. Rakuten's network is smaller than Amazon or ClickBank, but it has a high-quality selection of products, making it a fantastic choice for those interested in niche markets. The downside is that Rakuten's interface isn't as user-friendly as some other platforms, but the earning potential can be substantial with the right strategies. Coming at number 5, Bluehost is a major player in the hosting industry and offers one of the most lucrative affiliate programs available. If you're in the blogging, website development, or online business space, promoting Bluehost can lead to substantial commissions. Bluehost is one of the most trusted names in web hosting, making it a reliable choice for customers, which translates into higher conversions for affiliates. The company offers a generous payout of around $65 per sale, and given the popularity of website creation and hosting, there's plenty of potential to reach a large audience. One thing that sets Bluehost apart is its excellent customer service, which makes promoting the product even easier. as customers tend to be satisfied with their experience. Its affiliate program is straightforward and easy to set up, making it a great choice for beginners looking to start promoting hosting services. At number 4, Fiverr is another fantastic affiliate program for marketers in the service-based industry. Fiverr is a marketplace for freelancers offering services across various categories, including graphic design, writing, digital marketing, and even voiceover work. Fiverr's affiliate program offers commissions based on the services that users purchase, making it a highly versatile option for marketers. Fiverr's commission structure includes both a flat rate fee for each sale and the opportunity to earn revenue through recurring commissions if customers purchase additional services. Fiverr is particularly beneficial for affiliate marketers who focus on a broad range of niches, as it covers almost every service imaginable. Additionally, Fiverr's brand recognition and ease of use make it a solid choice for affiliates looking to generate passive income. SEMrush, coming at number 3, is a powerhouse tool for digital marketers, making its affiliate program incredibly appealing to those in the SEO and digital marketing space. SEMrush is a leading tool for keyword research, backlink analysis, site audits, and much more. As a marketer, you can promote SEMrush to your audience and earn commissions for every sale. SEMrush's affiliate program offers a recurring commission model, which means you can earn a percentage of the customer's subscription every month for as long as they remain a paying customer. Given the importance of SEO tools for online businesses, SEMrush has a wide and growing audience, which creates a great opportunity for affiliate marketers. Additionally, SEMrush offers plenty of resources to help affiliates succeed, including landing pages, banners, and educational materials. At number 2, Teachable is a popular affiliate program for anyone interested in promoting online courses and educational content. Teachable allows individuals and businesses to create, sell, and market their own online courses. As an affiliate, you can promote Teachable's platform to course creators and earn commissions when they sign up for the service. Teachable offers a generous payout model, paying affiliates a percentage of the subscription fees from each sale. What makes Teachable especially appealing is the growing market for online education and e-learning, making it a highly relevant and lucrative niche to tap into. With the rise of online learning, promoting Teachable is a great way to earn passive income by supporting other educators in building their businesses. Finally, at number 1, Shopify remains the gold standard when it comes to affiliate programs, especially in the e-commerce space. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that allows businesses to easily set up and manage online stores. As an affiliate marketer, you can earn commissions by referring new customers to Shopify, which is a popular choice for entrepreneurs looking to launch their own online stores. Shopify's affiliate program offers high commission payouts, which can go as high as $2,000 per customer referral, depending on the plan chosen by the customer. Shopify's vast global reach, excellent customer support, and ease of use make it one of the most attractive affiliate programs available today. Shopify's strong brand recognition means that it's easier to sell, and with the growing e-commerce market, the potential for earning is massive. These top affiliate programs represent the best opportunities for making money online in 2025. By focusing on programs that align with your interests, skills, and audience, you can earn substantial commissions while promoting products and services that are in high demand. Whether you're promoting digital products, e-learning platforms, or e-commerce solutions, there's an affiliate program out there that suits your needs. Affiliate marketing has never been more accessible or more profitable than it is today. By focusing your efforts on these top affiliate programs, you can build a successful online business that generates a steady stream of passive income. Remember, choosing the right affiliate program is just the beginning. It's your marketing strategy, content, and ability to engage with your audience that will determine your success. If you found this list helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more tips and strategies that will help you succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. Stay tuned, and let's build a profitable future together.